The pandemic, if not anything, has definitely presented organizations with an opportunity to assess their IT infrastructure and think about deploying robust and advanced solutions, and to us, common folks, to leverage this time to upskill and get an edge in the industry. Not just that, Google Trends suggests that interest in IT certifications has gone up to by 40% between May and October in 2020 alone. Hence, I bring to you the much awaited list of the top 10 IT certifications for the year 2021 that might give you a leg up in your career. Also, understand that this list is purely subjective and does not claim to be the absolute ranking. So feel free to leave us with your suggestions in the comment section below. Also, meanwhile, subscribe to us and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from the Semestrical Night YouTube channel. So, let's get started. Now, in no particular order, we have cybersecurity. Now, as the world grapples with the unprecedented pandemic in the name of COVID-19, working remotely has become the new norm. But this brings us with a lot of cyber threat due to remote access of IT infrastructure, use of collaborative tools, as well as availability of enterprise data on endpoint devices. At a time like this, cybersecurity professionals are the unsung heroes pivotal against potential cyber attacks, ranging from attack mitigation to penetration testing. All of this is covered in industry-renowned certifications like the CEH and CompTIA Security Plus. Apart from this, you also have certifications like OSCP, CISSP, CISM, GIAC. Now these certifications are slightly pricey for sure, but it all starts to come together and make sense once you start making up to 215,000 US dollars in the US or 29 lakh per annum in India for companies such as FireEye, HackerOne, Societe Generale, Dell, NetApp. You could also defend these companies from phishers, hackers, and cyber attacks by acquiring the skills. Next on our list, we have Cloud Architect. Now, over the past decade, there are hardly been an area in IT which has generated as much hype, interest, or investment as cloud computing. IDC predicts an overall compounded 5-year interest rate of 22% of all cloud services providers, which sums up to 277 billion US dollars. Now, cloud has become a permanent fixture for end users, service providers, and organizations of all sizes, which is why it has garnered so much attention and coverage from cloud certifications providers as well as cloud related products delivers such as AWS, GCP, VMware, and Azure. Now there has been a skill gap in the cloud computing industry, which lends itself to a really high average salary of 153,000 US dollars in the US and 30 lakh per annum in India to skilled professionals who can prove their expertise using certifications. So next, we have project management and IT service management. Now the global growth is estimated to be 5.4% for the year 2021. Now this leaves the GDP about 6.5% lower than what was expected pre-COVID. At an economic disappear like this, stakeholders and consumers alike need that lack of assurance that the person handling their product has the ability, has the experience, as well as expertise to define, plan, and deliver the product effectively. And what better way to show this level of proficiency than a certification now? There are a number of different certifications in this field. You have PMP, Prince2, CSM, CSP, PMIACP, KPMG, and ITIL. Now these certifications just show your competency as a manager but also bumps up those digits in your salary. And the best of all, using these certifications, you are not using just confined to one industry or field. As you can see from the wide number of job openings from companies such as Suncell, P&G, to technical companies such as Siemens and Ubisoft. So next on our list we have DevOps. Nowadays, most companies are looking at DevOps as a whole cultural change as opposed to just a buzzword. With the increased demand of rapid development strategies as well as the constant requirement of application deployment, it is only obvious that the requirement for DevOps expert is only going to grow in the coming years. Now, obtaining a DevOps certification is one way for potential candidates, not just to validate their skill set, but also gain that competitive edge over other competitors for the same position. Now, the top certifications in the market are for Jenkins, Docker, Puppet, Chef, and Kubernetes. Now, Coursera platform covers all of these technologies in ample depth. Apart from that, there are also certifications from Azure and AWS, which are namely the Azure DevOps Solution Expert certification and the AWS DevOps Engineer certifications. Now, the average salary for a certified DevOps expert goes up to 155 US dollars in the US and 21 lakh in India. And when you are certified as a DevOps or a DevOps engineer, you can land a job in any of the companies such as Honeywell, Wipro, Cisco, Dell, and IBM. Next on our list, we have database admin certifications. Now, over the past 3 decades, we have seen a lot of database platforms comes and go, but there never been a question that database is a crucial component for all computing tasks. Now, DBA certifications might not be as bleeding edge as cloud computing or computer forensics, but savvy, talented, and knowledgeable DBAs and professionals are always welcome anytime, anywhere. Now, the IBM Professional Database Administrator, Microsoft SQL Server Database Certification, Oracle Certified Professional, SAP HANA, and Salesforce are some of the market-leading certifications in DBA. Now, in the part that conveys the maturity of a database as a technology and also its integral distribution or contribution to many computing tasks in companies such as Oracle, IBM, SAP, Salesforce, and Societe Generale. So DBAs and database professionals get paid as high as 113,000 US dollars in the US and 15 lakh per annum in India. Next on our list, we have digital marketing. Now globally, the digital marketing industry is worth $190 billion, which leaves opportunity to the rest of us to be a part of lucrative industry. Now, there are a couple of certifications in digital marketing, namely the Google Analytics IQ or the Fundamental of Digital Marketing by Google. You also have HubSpot Content Marketing Certification, PG certification program in marketing with specialization in digital marketing. Now, these certifications are designed to make you proficient in areas such as search engine optimization, social media, pay-per-click marketing, conversion optimization, web analytics, content marketing, email and mobile marketing. All of these certifications get you industry ready to get hired in companies such as Etsy, eBay, Walmart, and Amazon for more than comfortable incomes. Next on our list, we have networking certifications. Now, before we start to understand and weigh the pros and cons of networking certifications, Let's break this down a little bit. Now, simply put, networking helps you assess, sustain, and configure computer hardware and operating systems. It helps you evaluate and elevate risk on your system as well as select the technologies and network design, which will help prevent and defend, also resolve your IT problems. Now, this is a broad skill set which definitely puts networking professionals on the top of the food chain and also in demand. Now, you could do it too if you got certified by CCNA, CCNP, ISACA, CompTIA Security Plus, CompTIA Network Plus, as well as Red Hat certifications. Now, once certified, you could land in companies like Cisco, Tech Mahindra, Accenture, HCL for a comfortable salaries like 143,000 US dollars in the US or 14 lakh in India on an average. Next, we have programming and web development. In the digital age, most IT domains expect you to have a strong grasp of one of the programming language and sometimes even more. This makes coding a very bankable prospect, and certification only strengthens your chance at that lucrative job offer. With new platforms, even kids are learning to code. So 10 years down the line, the market will not be as less competitive as it is today. So the time for you to act is right now. You can learn any language like Python, Java, Node.js, CSS, HTML, JavaScript, so on and so forth. And all of this is available on one platform at Coursera. Now, tech giants like Amazon, Facebook, Ubisoft, and Google are ready to pay to you up to 170,000 US dollars in the US or up to 30 lakh in India based on your skills, experience, and geography to coders and web developers. Next on our list, we have Big Data and Data Engineering certification. Now that has become a critical corporate asset. It is redefining core competencies, core operations, as well as entire business models. Now, this is directly proportional to the increase in number of certifications for big data and data engineering. Some very popular ones are Cloudera Certified Professional, Hortonworks Hadoop Certification, SAS Big Data Pro for IBM Big Data Engineer. This taken you through the various tools and technologies related to big data such as HDFS, MapReduce, Yarn, Scoop, Flume, etc. in a highly detailed and comprehensive fashion, helping you land market giants like Facebook, Societe Generale, Walmart, JP Morgan, as high as 155,000 US dollars in the US or 36 lakhs per annum in India on an average. Finally, on our list, we have machine learning and artificial intelligence certifications. Now, as human, what makes so unique is our ability to make informed decisions. Now, that is how we find out solutions to most of the world problems today. So isn't it a brilliant idea for occupying our brain function in the more important task and letting smart machine deal with the monotony? This is what makes AI such a popular career choice. If not the most, it has seen a growth of 344% in the trend in the past few years. Also, the base salary of AI and ML engineer is about $146,000 in the US or 27 lakh per annum in India. Now, AI and ML has created close to 2 million jobs and there is more to come. I am talking about data scientists, ML architects, AI architects, and many more that comes under the same umbrella. Now market leaders like Amazon, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, PayPal, and Google have hiked up maximum salary figures up to 175,000 US dollars globally. There are many platforms such as Edureka, Coursera, IBM, Intel, which makes you proficient in concepts such as unsupervised and supervised learning, natural language processing, and deep learning. AI and ML are penetrating the industry to an unexpected rate, and it is only wise for you to go with the flow on this one. So, with that, I am closing the list of top 10 certifications for the year 2021. Now, there are a few honorable mentions which we had to touch upon. We have certifications like data center virtualization, business analyst certification, governance, risk and compliance, as well as business intelligence certifications, which almost made it to the list. Now with that, we conclude our session on the top 10 certifications for the year 2021. Do tell us if I missed out on something in the comment section below. Now remember, don't just learn it, master it. With that, I conclude my words. Thanks for watching. Give the video a big thumbs up, like, subscribe and share for more wonderful videos. Till then, be safe, keep learning.